Are you looking for something free to do in the Chicago suburbs this holiday month? Well, I'm going to give you some things that are free to do in the Chicago suburbs to help celebrate the holidays in the month of December. I'm Pearson. I'm a local realtor in the western suburbs of Chicago, specifically serving the western suburb of Naperville, Illinois. And I make community information and real estate videos weekly. Subscribe if you like my video. If you already know looking to move to the Naperville area or sell, feel free to reach out. Info's below. I'd love to help you out. All right, so I'm gonna give you my free list of things to do. That's right, free. Free holiday things in the month of December. I've made a video before and some of them cost money, but this list is all free. So I'm excited about my list. Okay, so first thing, free things to do in the Chicago suburbs to help celebrate the holidays would be in Elmhurst, Illinois, is the Elmhurst Holly Trolley. This is free. It is a free hop-on, hop-off trolley running on Saturdays, month of December, from noon till midnight, and there are 7 stops throughout downtown Elmhurst, so check that out on Saturdays though, so that is a free thing to do. Next free thing to do, free holiday thing, would be in Naperville, Illinois, is the Scavenger hunt. It is a elf scavenger hunt. So there are elves that may be hiding in store windows or maybe hiding within businesses for children to explore and find. There's even a map with lists of businesses of where all these elves are hidden. And you can print off a map of where all the elves are located in, here's the websites, downtownnaperville.com, to get the list of where all the elves are hiding, and you have to find them with your kids. There's even, I believe, a prize to enter to win if you find all the elves and submit your form. All right, the next one is my favorite. Many people just do like the DIY lights tour, drive around, look at your favorite town lights that are to check out. This is my favorite thing to do with my daughter. So in Naperville, there is the believehouse.com that has a map of all the best lights to check out. People recommended, nominated lights that look really good. So go to believehouse.com and check out your favorite decorated houses, but of course be respectful of the neighbors of those houses because it does get quite trafficky on the weekends viewing some of those homes. All right, next one for free things to do would be, another Naperville thing would be letters to Santa. There is a mailbox in downtown Naperville for letters to Santa. It is in downtown Naperville, located right by the Cinnaholic shop. There's a mailbox there. You have to make sure you get your letter to Santa by December 18th and include a return address, and Santa himself will send a letter back to your little one. And that is free. All right, my last free thing to do in the month of December would be a sleigh ride. This is in downtown Long Grove, Illinois. There's holiday festivities happening in Long Grove. There's carolers, Santa and Mrs. Claus on the weekends, and there are free horse-drawn carriage rides on Sundays. This is happening in Long Grove, Illinois. So I've got 5 free things to do to have some fun holiday celebrations in the month of December. Hope you enjoyed my free holiday celebration stuff to check out. I'm Pearson. I'm a local realtor in the western suburbs of Chicago. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about buying or selling in the Naperville area. I've got another great video that I think you'll like, so stick around.